From its exterior to its interior, Old Novel Fourth Ward has to be one of the most uniquely designed and artistic apartment communities that I've ever seen. Before you even step foot in the building, you're met at the door by this beautiful structure, designed by Georgia Tech's very own architect and visual designer, Tristan Al-Haddad. You can catch some of his other work over at the High Art Museum of Atlanta. The industrial style of this building is a perfect replica of the old Fourth Ward neighborhood itself, even down to something as simple as its lights fixtures. If you're anything like me, you can start your morning off breaking a quick sweat on the Peloton bike, or if you prefer yoga, you can go and do a yoga session on the yoga line. Then grab a quick cup of coffee to start your day. Work remotely? No need to pay for an expensive co-op workspace. You have plenty of chill spaces right here to choose from. Pick one and get the workday started. Then end your day soaking up these beautiful views at the Sky Deck Lounge. Some of the other amenities include a resort-style saltwater pool with water sound effects, club room for meetings and events, and a wine station, outside TV and fire grill, community courtyard patio that has a hammock and a pizza oven, grill, and fire pit. So outside of every unit is this unique artwork designed by an Atlanta local artist, and it basically depicts the city itself and Old Fourth Ward. So here you have the Atlanta Beltline. Obviously there's a biker on that Beltline and the city of Atlanta here. This is really neat. All right, let's take a look at the unit. All right guys, I absolutely love this unit. I mean, would you just look at this kitchen? You have this nice island here to entertain your family and friends when they come over for dinner. It has a nice granite countertop space. You also have these stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, and check this out. This honeycomb backsplash is so unique. I absolutely love the modern touch here paired with the industrial style fixtures. So right off the kitchen area is this cozy living space where you can Netflix and chill with your friends and family. Right off your living space is going to be your patio where you can come out here and enjoy a nice breakfast. Let me show you the master bedroom. This master is massive. You can actually fit a king-size bed and 2 nightstands in here, and then right next to the master, you can walk right into your closet, get ready for your day, and you have so much room and storage for your winter and spring, summer, fall, your whole wardrobe. Next is your master bathroom, which is right off of the master closet, and you have even more storage space right here in your bathroom. Look at how big this bathroom is. It's almost the size of your closet itself. I mean, you have your vanity sinks here, your Jack and Jill sink, and then you also have some really nice fixtures in here and a really deep soaking tub to end your night. Another really cool thing about these units is that they all come with these front load General Electric washer and dryers. Alright, so y'all already know what it is. Go ahead and show your girl some love. Give me some likes, some thumbs up. And if you are looking for a place to live here in the Metro Atlanta area, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified every time I drop a new video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.